Hi folks, Desi here from Howden Tools. Just going to give you a quick look at one of our plasma cutters here. This one here is a Jasic plasma cutter. It's a single phase plasma from Jasic. Quite a well-known model now on the market. Jasic, quite a well-known brand. This machine, single phase plasma cutter, single phase power supply. Will do a cut as far as 20 mil, severance cut, 20 millimeter steel in single phase. That machine comes fitted with this regulator, air regulator, where you put your air supply into it. So you've got your detachable torch on it. This is where your earth clamp goes in there, your DINS socket for the earth clamp. Here is some of the accessories here that comes with it. That's your torch there. Nice, comfortable torch to hold. Got your flexible knuckle on the rear of it, but it's a nice, comfortable torch to hold. This here is what's called a standoff guide. That's your standoff guide for when you're trying to guide it along a workpiece. This is your shroud here. That's your shroud. Your nozzle, your electrode, ceramic, the whole lot. Quite a nice torch to use, comfortable torch to hold. You will notice that the tip is a nice tip as well. So it's a nice, comfortable torch to work with, and good access in awkward places, and good visibility around it as well too. Some people may use these standoff guides occasionally, but yeah, so they're quite a good, comfortable torch to hold. Comes with your earth clamp. Your earth clamp and cable, and your hose pipes for your air. As I said earlier on, this is your regulator, so your air quick release coupling goes in there, and your air line plugs in. And if you wish, then we also have got this, which is an air compressor unit. So this air compressor unit can be added to the machine, where you bolt it together like that. Bolt your machine together like that. You connect the compressor unit to the regulator, and then you've got a completely independent machine then to bring out on site or wherever you wish to go to work where you don't have access to a compressed air supply. You've got your own compressor with you built in here. Fantastic wee machine, these. We carry the full range of Jasic equipment. They've got a 5-year warranty with them. It's very good. They're on our system here on our website and stuff too. So if you have any questions or queries, you can drop us an email, or you can give a call to a member of our sales team, and they will discuss what might suit your requirements best. We also have a range of 3-phase machines in stock, and the full range of the Jasic equipment, from TIG welders and arc welders and MIG welders, everything, the lot. Yeah, so drop us a line or give us a call, and we'll see can we help you. Thanks, folks.